Hey everybody, so I just wanted to jump in real quick and do some CRO analysis. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the weekly time frame. I have already identified some key levels represented by these wide horizontal lines. So I kind of touched a little bit on this last week prior to Christmas. I did mention that CRO it's in a consolidation phase, meaning prices pretty much going sideways instead of going up or down. So if we go into lower time frames, we could see this with more details and basically see exactly what's going on. So this rectangle, rectangle, it's basically an illustration of consolidation. So price is just pretty much going up and down in this zone right here. So I'm not surprised if price decides to come back here to test this support area and then jump back. And it could potentially come back to that resistance and drop again. But what we don't want to see is for price to break below this consolidation zone. And by that, I mean like coming back down and breaking it and then pretty much come back here to establish a potential resistance and then drop. That's not something that we would like to see because this this right here, if it does this move, then essentially pretty much CRO will go into a bearish market. Although like a lot of people right now are saying that CRO it's in a bear market, I don't agree with this, mainly because as you can see, price is going sideways. It's not taking a side. It's not being bearish nor bullish. So this is something that we don't want to see for CRO. So if price comes back here and then drops, that's okay. And mainly because we know that price is consolidating. And another factor to keep in mind is that we are still in the holidays. So a lot of big investors, I believe they're spending time with family and whatnot. And essentially they are off the charts. That's just my thought or my point of view. And no one has a clear crystal ball to know exactly when price will break out of this consolidation zone. But what we do want to see is for price to break above this area eventually. So and I'm just anticipating for this to happen. Um, so if it does come back here again at the 0.47 range, I myself would do additional purchase on CRO. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just me from experience, knowing that this will be a strong support area because it will essentially retest it for the third time. So 1, 2, and 3. So this will be the third attempt to retest that support, this white line right here. So if it does come to this area, I will personally purchase more, um, and hopefully price do the following from here. So I'm anticipating for price to come here and break above the consolidation zone, come back here and retest for support. And basically what we want to see is break above previous highest high for CRO. So the previous highest high, according to the market cap, was 96.98 on November 24th. So 96.98, 96.98. So essentially, this area right here serves as a resistance because this is the highest high, and this is where price pretty much. So price came down, and essentially is trying to work its way up again. Again, we don't know when this will take place, but when price do come to this zone again, I'm anticipating for price to break it, retest, and then go from there. So it kind of seems that the chances of this taking place will be somewhere in the middle of January. I don't see it happening anytime soon. I think that would do for now. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comment sections. Thanks.